Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to add estimated shipping costs to Shopify checkout. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So this one is actually pretty simple. All you need to do is search on top for shipping cost, just like that. You can see we have Shopify shipping calculator. You can head over to that and you're going to be entering your different type of, you can say, like setting, regions, shipping to, and all that. Is going to be providing you in-depth detail about your shipping and its basically cost. So that's how you can add. But if you want to add it onto your front end section, you can simply search shipping costs in your app store instead of your help center or your settings. So you can have, I'm going to be recommending you something which is having nice rating. So shipping costs is going to be something in here. And yeah, like for example, you can use this cash and delivery fees and all that to incorporate onto your account. So that's about it. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.